Aromatherapy is the therapeutic use of essential oils extracted from herbal sources. Mankind has been in search of health since its existence and has tried various treatment methods for health. Herbal essential oils are also used to solve health problems and improve quality of life. Aromatherapies are herbal medicine practices that involve the use of essential, fragrant plant oils obtained by distillation from the roots, leaves, bark, seeds, and flowers of plants. Although the birth process is seen as a natural process, the woman who gives birth is faced with serious physiological changes as well as discomfort, tension, and sensory changes that will force her. Because of these changes, women state that they want to use non-pharmacological methods more. Every woman in childbirth is unique, and every labor pain is affected by many factors such as the physical, psychological, environmental, political, and emotional state of the pregnant woman. Contrary to advances in medical sciences, controlling labor pain is still a challenging area in obstetrics. Apart from the medical model and pharmacological methods, midwifery care models and non-drug methods can also change attitudes towards labor pain. In this understanding, where pain is accepted as a natural process, the application of midwifery care models can reduce pain and anxiety experienced at birth. One of the oldest non-drug methods used to cope with labor pain is aromatherapy. Studies showing that aromatherapies are an effective way to manage pain and psychological effects of labor gained momentum between 1996 and 2002, and today, studies with high levels of evidence continue. Today, aromatherapies are most commonly used during childbirth via massage, bath, foot bath, and inhalation. Aromatherapy application during birth is usually rose, lavender, neroli, sage, etc. It is applied in the form of rubbing or inhalation of essential oils on the skin of the mother in labor. In the second phase of the baby's descent and birth, it is recommended because peppermint oil gives the mother a feeling of strength. Lavender oil reduces the sense of panic and strengthens contractions, especially for the healing of the perineum. It is useful for swollen breasts, fatigue, postpartum depression, and healing of wounds if cesarean section has been made. The mechanism of the analgesic effect of aromatherapy is not clear. In studies on the changes in physiological processes that occur under the use of essential oils, it has been reported that it does not cause significant changes in vital signs, but this method significantly improves mood and reduces the feeling of anxiety. Essential oils increase the release of endogenous neurotransmitters with a calming and relaxing effect. They can be applied to the skin, inhaled directly, or through a heater. Aromatherapy is also helpful for reducing anxiety. Lavender and daily oil, gum oil, frankincense oil are used for this purpose. It may also be beneficial to use essential oils on the acupressor, pressure, points of birth, or in combination with a foot bath. Other uses include adding aromatic agents to bath water, burning them as incense, sprinkling them on clothes or bedding, and using them as inhalers. Burns et al. Reported that more than 50% of pregnant women found the use of aromatherapy at birth effective, and 14% found it ineffective, in a study of 8,058 cases they conducted in England between 1990 and 1998. In the same study, it was stated that after rose oil with 71%, lavender with 50% was the most effective aromatic agent. This study, which included 8,058 women, showed that aromatherapy helped reduce anxiety and fear during childbirth. The study found that aromatherapy reduced the need for pain relief, with about 62% of women finding oils used to relieve labor pain helpful. Aromatherapy is a safe option for women and babies. Studies have reported only mild side effects such as skin irritation and nausea. How to use aromatherapy during pregnancy. The appropriate dose for pregnancy is the medium dose of 2%. So 18 drops of pure aromatherapy oil to 3 tablespoons of carrier oil. If you are going to use it in your bathtub, in the bathroom, 6 drops of aromatherapy oil is sufficient in a bath that does not exceed 37 degrees. Do not drip more, as the smell is less for you. Pure aromatherapy oils, whose chemical structure is activated by heat, may cause irritation, redness, and allergies on the skin. You can use the same ratio for your steam and breathing baths. Drop your pure aromatherapy oil into the boiling water you have boiled in a steam bath pot. Cover your head with a large towel and cover your face 20 centimeters. Take deep breaths for a maximum of 5 minutes, no closer than that. In the first trimester of pregnancy, pure oils should be used very limitedly and with caution. However, it can be used more intensively in the other 6 months and during childbirth. We should be careful while using these oils for the first 3 months. Basil, cedarwood, cinnamon, clary sage can be used during labor contractions. Cloves, cervi can be used from the 5th month. Fennel, jasmine, juniper, lemongrass, myrrh, parsley, pennyroyal, rose